Hey guys, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, today we're talking about vacuum sealers. So I picked one up here from Cromify. It's a vacuum sealer, automatic food sealer machine. This thing is great and very reasonably priced. So we did an unboxing and a review. So just before we go for that, just bear with me and just take a look at this machine with me first, just to let you know a little bit about it. So this does food, it does dry food, it does moist food. You can freeze food, you can do eggs, you can do poultry. I mean, you can do pretty much anything you want. Vegetables. This is a really nice, versatile, all-around vacuum sealer to keep things fresher and longer. And I would say almost industrial quality grade vacuuming sealing, definitely. So just take a look at some of the benefits here. So long-lasting shelf life, of course. So you get fresh food and you get fish, meats, cooked meats, vegetables, fruits, and eggs. You can see here on the chart how long things last. So you'll save money by things lasting longer, especially in the fridge. They do go bad very quickly. So this does add a lot extra, like 5 times the storage life. Also, any kind of bag can be used. So any kind of storage bags that you find that are basically designed for vacuum sealers, you can use. It doesn't matter, lines, no lines, whatever. All right, guys, let's get to the unboxing and review. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I received this food saver from Cromify. It's a food vacuum sealer. So we're doing an unboxing and a review on this vacuum sealer. So let's just take a look at it right here. Let's open up the box here. So item number VS6611. So let's take a look and see what we have here. And in the box, they give you some bags, which is really cool. So that's nice to get some bags, which is really important. And they give you some in a roll. And they also give you some extra bags as well. And some bags in here. So you get a bunch of bags that comes in the kit. Put those to the side, like that. And let's see. Instructions are in here as well. The whole instruction manual, how to use the item itself. Fairly easy laid out, easy to look at, easy to read. Not very complicated whatsoever. Let's take it out of the box here and see what we have. So here is the vacuum sealer itself. Nice quality plastic. Got a couple of buttons here that you press to open it up. You can see here. Let me just move this all out of the way here for you so you can see. Put that down. Also comes with a power cord. Open that up. And that's actually a very nice quality power cord as well. Okay, so let's take that out like that. Let's put this to the side. So here you go. So you can see it here. So it's nice, it's compact, it's pretty handy actually. This is really kind of nice. So if you've used a vacuum sealer before, sometimes it can be a little bit complicated, but this one here has only 3 buttons. You have food, seal, and vacuum seal. So there's 3 buttons on here so you can see that. Hopefully you can see. Right here, you got food, seal, and vac seal, and stop. Okay, and then open this up here, and this is a cutter. So also they have a cutter in here as well, so you can. So if you have a bag and you want to use in a roll, you can actually cut the roll. So when you're doing your vacuum sealing, you can do that very easily. And it does open up nicely, and it's actually really good, nice quality plastic as well. It's nice impact plastic. It has a nice little seal on it here. It's got the cutter right here. This is a foil cutter, so it gets really hot and warm, and it actually melts the bag as you press down it. So it melts the bag and seals it. So that's kind of how that works. And I have a little test here. We're going to test out on an apple, and so you can see how it works. You can get an idea on the functionality and how it sounds and how it looks. So let's do that. So let's put this over here. So what we want to do is plug it in, and that is ready to go. So that's all plugged in, and the power is on. So there's 3 different functions here, just so you know. So we'll just go over that real quickly. I'll read it to you exactly what it says, what it does. So it has three settings. So we have a food setting. So that's for see a dry and moist food setting. That's what this is for. Then we have a seal button. So during any time that it's vacuuming, you can always hit the seal button, and it actually will seal the bag for you well during the process. So if you don't want a full tight seal, you can control the actual sealing of the bag. And then the one I have is the vacuum seal. So that's totally automatic, and that's probably the one you're going to use the most. So basically you just set it, press that button, let it do its thing, and that's pretty much how that works. So that is the 3 functions that are available on it. So I'm going to take my apple. I'm going to put it in the bag, like that. And the best way to do this is just make sure it's flat. Okay, and you lay it in flat, like this here, and you want the lip to be right at the edge here, okay? And if you're doing any meats or anything, just make sure there's no juices or any liquid. You don't want that to get sucked into here as well. So you just have to just make sure it's dry and ready to be sealed. So nothing wet, very important. You just let that sit in that channel and you push it down and lock it. Okay, so that is locked. So that's ready to go. So all you have to do is basically hit the vacuum seal, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's just watch as this apple gets vacuum sealed. Let's see how it works. Now it's sealing. You can see here that it's sealing, so you can see the lights are flashing, so it's sealing, and that is done. So all you have to do to open it is just press the two buttons here that opens up the side, just like you see here. And that's really nice. That's actually vacuum packed very, very well, actually. Look at that. Actually did a really nice job. Now this is vacuum packed. This is, I would say, commercial grade vacuum packing. It's this nice quality. You can see that. Hopefully you can see here how this is truly. And it didn't squish the apple. It didn't put any pressure on it. It really stopped on where it should have. And to reuse this bag, you just basically have to just cut here again. You can cut here and reuse the bag again. So you can reuse these bags if you want to. So if you have any dry goods in here, or if you want to dry some nuts or certain things that last longer, that's a really good feature. So as you can see here, there's actually a cutter built into this. So if you want to reopen this bag again, you just place it underneath the plastic cutter. You just slide it across here, and that cuts the bag open. So that is really nice and easy. So it's right underneath here. It's protected so you won't cut yourself. And that's really nice. Now the bag is opened again. You can see, here it is. Fresh as a daisy. So let's do that one more time. Now we'll show you. We'll open it up again. Again, super easy. Just place it in the channel. Okay, like I said, just make sure it's in between the channel. And then you just press it down, lock it, and just press the vacuum seal button. Let's see that once more, how it vacuums this apple. So now it's done vacuuming, and now you can see it's sealing, the lights going back and forth. And when that's done, this is finished. It's sealed. To open it, you press the sides, open it back up, and that is sealed again. So that's perfect. Great item. Okay, I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up yours. Any questions or comments, please leave below. If you have a vacuum seal, let me know what you have, which one you use. Leave some comments in the comment box down below. That will help me out quite a bit. And also don't forget to like and share. That does help me out as well. Again, this item number is VS6611, and I will leave a link down below in the description box where you can find yours. Actually, this is a really nice quality product. I think you'll be happy with it. Works very well, as you can see. It does what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, so that's it for me. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you at the next review.